Welcome to week 10. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're going to go with School of Rock first. School of Rock people, you have been working on 3 projects for the last month, so March, April. Your SMART Goal project, where you're getting better at a particular instrument and documenting before and after you were practicing. The composition project, which was either your digital audio workstation, DAW, where you're making a composition where you dragged and dropped a previous made song and you're copying the template format of that song and creating something, or you're doing a triad project, or we have one group that's doing a band project, which is really cool. And then lastly, we have the Sound Safari. Now, last Friday I said one of the projects was due. It wasn't. I decided not to look at it. One, I was out of town. Second, I want to talk to you today in class. If you're watching this, it's Monday, and we'll talk about it. But all 3 projects are due at the end of this week. So one should already be done, one should be close to being done, and you have a third one that needs to be wrapped up. Okay? So we'll finish all 3 this week and get those checked off. All right, game design. You are going to be doing 3 different things this week. Nothing that we haven't done before. So first off, you are going to, in your role teams, you're going to be talking about what you need to do for your SMART goal. Now, we kind of already did this, so we'll talk about it, but your SMART goal should be established. Yay. Now you're going to work on the blog post, get that done. And then lastly, you'll be continue to work in your teams and making sure we have a list of things in Trello more than you've ever done before. It should be really, really clear. This is our 5th time doing this, so this should be really straightforward. Let's go over to film. Similar kind of thing. Film class, we have not done the stuff in the project tracking sheet, so we're going to do that this week, where we're going to write down our SMART goal. We are going to get into the role teams after you pitch your 3rd version of your storyboard, which will be Monday, and then we're going to be talking about moving into role teams, talking about what each position on your team needs to do. We'll talk about our SMART goals. Then we'll make our blog post with our SMART goals, and the research that we find will be also linked in the project tracking sheet, but also be in our blogs, and we'll get those published. Then we'll move back into our teams and continue working, adding a whole bunch of stuff into Trello as well. And that's it. That is week 10.